Hi everyone, this is Cindy. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do a small unboxing of one Louis Vuitton item plus my entire Louis Vuitton small leather goods collection. There are 10 items altogether and I'm going to show you one by one. Please subscribe to my channel and give my video a like. And without further ado, let's start on the unboxing. As you can see, it is a small box. A little tray, and in there is the item. It's a pouch, and then some of you might have one of these already, and is a Louis Vuitton sunglasses pouch. The front of it is the monogram canvas in the classic monogram canvas material, and the rest of the material are smooth calf leather and with a gold hardware zip around it. And then inside is lined in this microfiber and in this bright yellow, and I love it. Oh, this is just a little tag over the product. You can see this is quite a compact item, and here is a pair of Louis Vuitton sunglasses. They fit in it perfectly, and then just zip it up. This is what it's like. Sideways. Is one side is narrower than the other. It's like I've got this slope, and also you can see on the top there's a slightly little sweetheart shape, and on the bottom is just rounded and curved. It's about 18 centimeters wide. This would fit most of sunglasses, and on the zip is the Louis Vuitton embossed on it. Same on the other side. And I primarily bought this for storing smaller things in it. For example, I can put my inhaler in there, lipstick, and a little Louis Vuitton perfume, and my peel box. You can see there's still some room for other things, but I just use this as a little pouch and then just put in my handbag. This would fit into most of my smaller handbags, which comes quite handy. And also when I travel, and I can use this to store jewelry the same way as I would use it for using the Louis Vuitton sunglasses case and to put jewelry in when I'm traveling, because I didn't really want to buy the jewelry pouch. I just find it's not very practical, because most of the times it just sits there. We only travel, I'm not traveling every other month or every month, so it's a rarity for me. And so when I do travel, and then I use these sort of things which could last me for a week or even 2 weeks holiday, it should be enough room, and also it's nice and secure. You always can keep this close to you. You do not need to check anything in. So this is the first item of my Louis Vuitton small leather goods collection, and this is the new addition. Next is this multicolored small mini Louis Vuitton monogram canvas cosmetic pouch. This line has been discontinued, and I wish they would bring this back, because I love this multicolored and monograms, and it's very, very sweet. And inside is this hot fuchsia pink lining, and is lined by leather. Looks like a goat skin, and I regret that I haven't got any more items. I only got 2 items from this collection, so I really love it. So Louis Vuitton, if you hear if you ever come across my small channel, and please, because every time when I go into the store, I always ask I said, when are we going to bring this back? You know, I always wanted to have a passport cover in this, but they just said, oh no, they don't know. But looking like with the Kusama sports collection, that has been brought back, so they might revisit their archives and then do a collection with this material sometime soon, so fingers crossed. And this is the other item that I have in my collection. It's a little clegs, and this is a keychain on this end, and then there's a zip on the top, and also there's a little compartment at the front. You can put cards in there, and then the main compartment just for coins for cars. It's been such a practical little item. I've used this a lot, but I mean the edge is never chapped or chipped, and the quality was impeccable. And I mean, if you have this item, you would know how old this would be. So I mean, you can see the hardware still shining and haven't been tarnished, because I used to use this like day in day out. I have all my keys there, and then so yeah, I haven't used this for a while, because I've been, you know, because the bags are getting smaller, summer, so I've been reaching for the smaller card holders for like day-to-day fitting into my handbag, but this is one of the items that I really treasure in my collection. The next one, and has appeared in my previous videos a lot, this is a vintage sunglasses pouch, and you can see this is the Monogram canvas, the classic version, and it is a little flap at the front, and to keep this flap in there to secure the pouch, and inside it just profile in this beigey color all the way through. Yeah, this one I bought in Japan when I was traveling because I do like this design and it's very classic. It's one of the items that has been discontinued as well, so I thought, you know, why not add it to my collections. This was very, very reasonable as well, so there you go. And the next one is my passport cover. Inside is all leather. This is like the Epsom leather with grained, and got this embossed Louis Vuitton there, and also this have loads of card slots, and on one side you can just put the passport in there, the other side and you can put some documents or maybe some cash. And again, this is some item that I only use when I travel. Moving on to the next item is a zip wallet. This is a special collection, but I'm not sure what it is, but like I think the reason is a special collection is because of the zip puller is like the what do you call it, I can't remember her name, but you know, the little doll, the Louis Vuitton doll they have, and this is the little monogram thing. It keeps appearing on different collections. So this is just a very basic zip around wallet. Inside is red leather line, so just basically for cards, and there's no compartments for coins or anything, so it's mainly this is just like cards and cash. But for cash, if you do not like to fold your cash into half, but you won't probably like this wallet, because again I bought this because the size is very compact, it can hold quite a lot of stuff, so but I don't really mind because everyone has been using cash less and less, including me, so I still find that this is a very practical item, and I do love it, and it's a very classic design, and front and back is just one piece of material and zipped around, so I do really love this little zip puller. And that's it. And then next one is a classic card holder. This is very self-explanatory. In the middle you can put some cash in there, on either side you can just put cards there and cards there, so non-frill, very tough, very durable. And yeah, I had this for quite a few years as well, because I always go for Louis Vuitton monogram canvas small leather goods, and because I find that this material is very durable and it is very tough, and it doesn't matter, gets wet, gets, you know, used, abused, and it just doesn't really show aging. I love it when it's aged a little bit, and I just find it gets more supple and feels really nice. I just really love this, so that is that. And the next one is they call this the pencil case, and with this Louis Vuitton monogram zip puller there. It's very pretty. I have some earrings in that design. This one is one piece of monogram at the front, and then the back is red leather with Louis Vuitton made in Paris, and on the bottom is this beige leather. Probably they might develop this patina, and with oxygenation this color might darken, but I've only got this for I think just after COVID, like 2021. Yeah, I think 2021, so it might age, the color might develop darker, but not at the moment yet. And for this one I'm not using for pencils because I don't really use pencils and that much. It's only when I travel, maybe when I need to fill in entry cards, that's a rarity too, but usually during day-to-day I just use this as the same purpose as the sunglasses case, and then I can put, let me get the stuff out of this one, and then there's a little fan, that pay fan, and I got from Gucci. It's a little free gift, so I do use it sometimes, but I love it. And then I just keep it in there, and then again my inhaler can go in there, and the lipstick goes in, and then a little perfume that zips up. So this would be another way of carrying my daily essentials. And yeah, maybe I can put my little pill box in there as well. Yeah, definitely it fits. It zips up as well. You can see the zip up is not bulky. So this one got a like little triangle design, and this one has like, I don't know how to describe it, like a sloped design. One side is wider than the other, so with my limited English, I'm sorry. And so yeah, so I use these two as a pouch for, you know, daily essentials. I don't tend to carry too much makeup with me in my handbags, but I do love just carry a lipstick, but that's all I do. You can see the size. This is about 8 8 centimeters shorter, but it's a lot wider, the size difference. And on the bottom it's similar, very similar way. Yeah, it's exactly the thickness. So yeah, I love it. I mean, I wish they have a red one to kind of like it's to add this as a in the same collection, but they haven't had it for ages. But I thought, you know, they only have black ones, so I might as well just get this one. The next item is just a key holder, and so inside is the same leather, same as the card holder, Epsom, same as in the passport holder. You can see this is all the same design or same color combination, same color. And then yeah, so this is the 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, so this is the 4 key one, which is more practical for me to put into my small handbags. And then it just a zip enclosure, and then it does have a little flap here through in the middle, but I suppose this is probably just protecting the keys, not scratching the base. But you can't really put a card there because it's not wide enough. And then just like that, snap and close, and then so the key is in there. And because I don't really like have my keys loose, and that's one of the reasons that I have been using these flex less, because you keep the keys in the middle of this pouch and it doesn't scratch the inside of my leather handbag. But I mean, sometimes I still do use this one, and then I just keep the snap keys into here when I put them into the handbag. But things are supposed to be used and not be just worship. Last but not the least, and this is the Cosmetic vanity case. This is the smaller version, BB, not the mini, not the nano. And so just all the way around with the leather handles, and then the trimmings, they're all in this calf leather, and then just flat. And inside this one is not the microfiber, this one is, I think it's goat skin, very tough rough goat skin. It's grained, and this one has, and you can see there's just a pouch at the back, and I keep things essentials in there. And then there's the Louis Vuitton leather tag, and then it just no other pockets. So but this definitely can hold loads of items, and in my packing video, which I'll insert here, you can watch, you can see what I put into this and how I pack it, and then for travel. And then to enclose it, the zip just goes all the way around the top, and you normally just do it half. Sometimes I do it all the way. There's another zip on the other side, I just zip it around, and then that's it. So the handle can be lifted, or it doesn't need to be, it can be pushed down. And this is a good size because this is the most practical, because the larger size is too big. You can't really stand up in the small holder or suitcase, but this one can be fitted into this hold suitcase, or like the cabin size suitcase. So therefore it's more practical. It still can hold a lot of items. I did debate which size I get, and then in the end I went for this one. And I got this one only like last summer. Yeah, when we went to Saint-Tropez, I got it from the Louis Vuitton store in Saint-Tropez. The lady there served me there. She was really, really lovely, and they were so accommodating. There was a garden there back then. They might still have the garden there. And then they offered me a drink, and then I took a few selfies there. If I can find the pictures, I might insert it, but I'm not promising. But yeah, this is such a great item to have in my collection. I really, really love it. And it used to be, this one, it used to be only like £300, and then it just, but the price rocketed. So last year I thought, since I'm in France and then it's duty free, and I think I got £150 back from the duty free tax refund. So I was pretty chuffed about this, because it's definitely more cheaper than if I buy them in the London store. So yeah, so that's it. That's all my Louis Vuitton small leather goods collection. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and give me a like, and please subscribe to my channel, and I really appreciate it, because that would encourage me to do more videos for the future, and to share more things with you. And as a small channel, I'm not affiliated with anyone. I'm not selling any products. This is all from my own collection. So please, you can trust my opinion when I review anything. And I hope you enjoyed today's video. Please leave a comment and subscribe and like, and I'll see you in my next one. Take care. Bye.